Crypto in the US is entering a new era, with regulators cracking down and lawmakers stepping in. 2025 is shaping up to be a turning point. In this video, let's break down what new crypto regulations could look like and how they'll impact you. After years of unclear rules, 2024 saw a major shift. Several lawsuits, ETF approvals, and bipartisan bills finally hitting the floor. The SEC and CFTC have battled for control, but now in 2025, we're expecting more clarity. 1. Token classification. Expect a clearer framework to define what's a security versus a commodity. Many altcoins could be reclassified, which impacts how and where they're traded. 2. Stablecoins. A national stablecoin bill is likely. Issuers like Circle USDC may face strict licensing, full audits, reserves transparency, and possibly a Fed-approved framework. 3. DeFi and DEX oversight. Regulators are eyeing DeFi. While it's tough to regulate code, they may target front ends, developers, and oracles. KYC rules may start applying to more DeFi interfaces. 4. Tax enforcement. Expect tighter reporting requirements. Exchanges will likely send 1099 forms to the IRS, and wallet tracking will expand. 5. Crypto exchanges. 30. Major exchanges like Coinbase could face stricter licensing and listing rules. Binance may remain restricted, and new compliance standards are coming. Here's the upside. With clear rules, institutions feel safer entering the market. That means more volume, more legitimacy, and less fear of random crackdowns. Sectors like tokenized ROS, compliant DeFi, and regulated stablecoins could boom under the new framework. 2025 could be the year the US finally stops fighting crypto and starts building with it. But it's going to take time, and not every project will survive the shift. So stay informed, stay compliant, and position yourself early. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. Are you ready for regulation?